Hello teachers, this is Marie Henderson. In this video, we're going to look at creating a new collection in Wakelet and getting some resources added to it. And so I'm here at wakelet.com and I've logged into my account and I'm going to click right here on the green plus to create a new collection. And the first thing you're going to want to do is give your collection a title. So for instance, maybe you're studying cell division in or middle school science class, and you're going to share this Wakelet with your students to help guide your lesson. And so we're just going to call this cell division, and you can also write a quick description if you need to. At the top, you can click to add a cover image, and you can either upload your own image, choose from the Jiffy library, or they have a library of Creative Commons licensed photos for you to choose from. And so I'm going to do that, and I'm going to type in cells. And it's great because they just give you lots of different resources here, and all of them are licensed for use. And so I'm just going to choose one, and it pops in here at the top of your Wakelet, and you can decide how big you want to see it. I usually go with the half. And then you can get started adding your resources. And so when you click the green plus sign, it's very easy to just paste in a web address or use one of these tools here at the right. And so for instance, if you want to share this video with your students, if you grab the share link to the YouTube video and then you just paste it in here to your Wakelet, it's actually live right here in the Wakelet for your students. Notice now I have two of the plus signs, one above and below. It's very easy though to change the order of your resources once you get them added, and so it doesn't matter which of the plus signs you use. But just to demonstrate that one more time, click the plus sign. Maybe you also need your students to have a link to this Cells Alive website, and so you copy the URL, and here in Wakelet you paste it in, and again the website just pops up right here in the Wakelet. If you use the pencil for any of the items you've added to the Wakelet, you can edit any of this content, and you can also decide that you don't like the image that autofills and choose a different image there as well. One of the other ways to add content to your Wakelet when you click the plus sign is using these tools out here at the right. And so a great way to give your students a little guidance within the Wakelet is to add some text. And so a text box pops up here, and I'm going to say, use these resources to learn more about cell division. And of course, you could give any instructions here in the text box. You can format that text any way you want to. You can add additional links here within the text. And then when you're finished, just click done, and it pops that text right here into your Wakelet. Another option, if we click the plus sign again, is to add an image. And so when we click that, you have the choices just like we did at the top with the image that we added above our title. But this time I'm going to show you how to upload an image. And so if we click upload image there, I'm just going to grab one of these that I have quick and easy for myself. And so it pops the image that you've chosen right there. And if you click the edit icon, then you have the option to add a caption or a full-fledged description. And then last but not least, I'm going to show you when you click the plus sign, you have this option to upload a PDF. So then you can go through your file explorer and select the file that you want to share with your students and click to open. And so then it uploads the PDF and your students have access to that here in the Wakelet. And so then when you're finished adding content, up here at the top right, you can switch from the Wakelet being private, meaning only you can see the collection, to it either being unlisted or public. If you're going to share it with students, but you don't necessarily want it to be out in the world, you would choose unlisted. If it's a lesson that would be great for other teachers to use and you want to make it public, these are searchable in the Wakelet community. Choose the option that's correct for you and then tap done here in the top right. And then it's very easy to invite your students. If you want them to be collaborators on your Wakelet using this button, or if you're just going to share the collection with your students so that they have view-only access, you would use this button here. As always, if you have questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks and have a great day.